Hello, welcome back. A lot of students can solve this question on the board. A whole lot of students can solve this question on the board. And why can't they solve it? Because they don't know the rule that applies to simple algebra like this, simple question. This is how to solve. The answer is not what you think. So this is the answer. The first thing you should notice in this question is this. We have 22 divided by 11 times 1 plus 1. So clearly you can see that this man here is different and this man here is different. So let's deal with this one first. Let's deal with this one first. If we deal with this, we'll have that this is 22 divided by 11 times, if we deal with this, 1 plus 1 gives us what? 2. So 22 divided by 11 gives us what? Gives us 2 times 2, which equals 4. And clearly, this is the right answer. The answer is not what you think. The answer is not 1, and this is the answer. All right, this is the second question. We have solved the first one. This is the second one. Please, when solving questions like this, don't make this mistake. Some persons will solve this like this. So this is 20 divided by 4 times 4 plus 1, 5. So 20 divided by 4 times 5, 20, which gives 1. This is absolutely wrong. You don't solve it like this. It's wrong. Treat these terms separately. Start from the left to the right. All right, let's go. Let's solve it correctly. The first thing you need to see that this is 20 divided by 4 times 4 plus 1. You need to see this expression like this before you can solve it. So what next? Pick these two from the left to the right. So this is what? 20 divided by 4 times 4 plus 1 gives us what? 5. So 20 divided by 4 gives us what? 5. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. And this is the right answer. No any other method. Or maybe, I don't know, but this is the method I know. And this is the right answer. It applies everywhere. Alright, so there are more videos for you to watch. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more game-changing questions like this. Alright, see you in the next video.